Go figure. Like the second I start. Wow. What I really need is the durability because again, don't pick up my nose on camera. This is good. See? Hey. So anyways, my name is Jillian and this is Jillian Camps Arizona, and today we're going to be talking about the Trekology. Oops, it's not Trekology. My name is Jillian and this is Jillian Camps Arizona, and today we're going to be talking about the Thermarest ultralight zLite sole foam mattress. I bought this off of Amazon about back in November. I'm actually preparing for a trip to the Grand Canyon where I hope to record a bunch of videos, enjoy myself, and let you in on some Grand Canyon secrets. So this is something that I've definitely learned along the way, is to buy something that is lightweight and easy to carry. The last time I hiked the Grand Canyon, I carried a self-inflating air mattress, and trust me, that did not go so well. So this time I decided to up the ante and I bought this ultralight Thermarest zLite sole for both myself and my brother, actually, for Christmas this past year. So it cost about $35. It's really expensive a little bit just for this little tiny thing, but it does fold in this fun Z type of fashion, right? That's why it's called the zLite. So it folds really nicely, and it looks like you can easily use a bungee cord in order to put it onto your back. So today we're just going to do a little unboxing of this, go over some of the features that I have conveniently snapshotted from the Thermarest website. So I bought this on November 26th for $35. It's currently going for $44.95, so $45 for the 20. It's 20 inches by 72 inches, and we're going to see that here. So some of the features, it just says that it's again, this is a closed cell mattress, what they call closed cell. So it just means that no air is in between the pockets here. This is just a closed cell, closed foam mattress. Whereas an open cell mattress would be more like a blow-up mattress, basically, where there's air in between the cells of the mattress. So in this case, it's a closed cell. What you see is what you get. You can't blow it up, you can't make it bigger, etc., etc. So it says this compact accordion style shape and heat trapping dimples. The only thing that I kind of was annoyed about is that this one is a zLite sole, so it's for insulating you against the ground. I don't really need that because I live in Arizona, but it's a nice extra feature in case it gets cold at night, right? In Arizona, And it just says that it's a reflective heat technology, puts a warmer spin. It's a trusted choice of campers, backpackers, and mountaineers, increasing the body warmth by nearly 20%, extra comfort and extra durability. So what I need is the extra durability of this because of the fact that I'm in Arizona. Even with this on my backpack, it's gonna be rubbing against rocks, stuff like that. So I really needed it to be durable on this side. So let's go ahead and unbox it. Anyways, my dog is trying to lay on the blanket. Athena, what are you doing? Go that way, please. So after you unbox it, this is pretty much it. So it looks like it's just opens up like this, and as you can see, I don't know if I can fit the whole thing on camera, but you can see here that it's, just got that lightweight. It's very lightweight, actually, and that's also why I bought it. It's only, let me see how much it weighs. 14 ounces, so less than 1 pound for this whole thing. And I'm very excited to use this in the Grand Canyon coming up in September. My brother and I are going to be hiking the Grand Canyon, and we're going all the way, so we're doing rim to rim to rim, where we're starting at the south rim, going to the north rim, and coming back to the south rim again. So, and I'll have to give an update after I finish hiking, so that way you know if it's going to hold up in the durability department or not, right? Because you never know about these types of things. So thank you so much for watching this Jillian Camps Arizona video. Feel free to thumbs up this content if you like it and you want to see more like it. Also, if you're not currently following me and you want to follow me around, feel free to hit that subscribe button below. Or you can like my page on Facebook. That's at Jillian Camps Arizona. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next episode.